So these are the vertical garden pots. People mostly they are asking for only one pot, no? So you can hang this directly into any of the surfaces. So this is one of the good wall you can go. So wherever you want, no, however you want, you can change, put it. So it's very easy to install. So I'll show the back side also. So whatever space you have, no, you can just install it. So very easy. We have in multiple colors. We have in semi-virgin and virgin qualities. So we suggest to go for full virgin material so that the color doesn't fade. In semi-virgin, you could see, so we have put samples of all the things. Semi-virgin, you could see the colors will get faded soon. In virgin, so the colors will not fade. So it will fade, but it will take very long time. So this will get fade in maybe 2-3 months itself. But this will have life of 2 to 3 years of fading. But other than fading, the material will last. So it's being for a planter box. It's if it's indoor, it's not a problem. If it's outdoor, you have to go for a full virgin, 100% virgin plastic. So I think no other people are giving. So we are giving with 100% virgin. We also have cost effective of the regular things. If you look into cost, you can buy semi-virgin pots. Stay tuned with Bio Blooms, and these pots can be bought on retail at 4K Garden Store at Neelambur, Coimbatore. So if you want wholesale, please call Bio Blooms at the manufacturing place. You can call us at 7373732236, 7373732240, or log into bioblooms.com. And we are the manufacturers, so you can get the whatever model or whatever color you want. We can make it and give it to you. Please call Bio Blooms.